text to column. Now, tell me guys, in this data, what is the delimiter?
Comma.
And I want to make them separate. I'll select this column, go to data. I'll choose data tools, text to column, delimited. I will choose that what comma. If I do this, what I do here, I see all the columns have been separated now.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Test. Tell me what is the delimiter in this data.
At the
At the rate.
How will you do this now?
Text to columns.
Text to column.
Text to column.
Delimited.
Delimited.
Next.
Next,
Other.
others.
At
At the
the rate. Next.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
How to do that here?
Text to column.
Text to
Text
column.
to column.
Next.
Next.
Other.
Others.
As vertical bar.
Vertical bar.
Done.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Now tell me how to deal with this.
Text to columns.
Hmm?
Next.
Comma.
Already selected comma.
Yes.
Does it make sense?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now next is called removing duplicate, which is very important. Hey guys, do you think in student name is there any duplication? Is there duplication?
Yes, sir.
How to remove duplicates? Select this column map, data, data tools, remove duplicates. Does it make sense to all?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, tell me selecting this, I paste it here. Do you think in this there is any duplicates?
Yes,
Is there
sir.
duplicates?
Yes, sir.
Where?
Nana
One
Gupta.
duplicate here.
Yes.
Where?
Ananya Reddy.
Where you see this?
Kabir Kapoor.
Arjun
Arjun
Gupta. Nana
Gupta.
Kumar.
Nena Kumar.
Arav Sharma.
Arjun Gupta.
Arjun Gupta.
Arjun Gupta. Kabir Kapoor.
Kabir Kapoor.
So how many yellow lines you see here?
7.
7. So how many duplicate records are there?
7.
7.
So if you see total number of records, how many records are there? How
25.
many? 24.
25.
24, right?
24.
Excluding the header. So if you select all these three columns together and do data, remove duplicates, what is happening now? It is going to show you how many records now?
8.
17.
17.
17.
7 duplicates have been removed. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right. Is there any duplication in this? Is there any duplication in this?
Yes.
Where?
Yes, sir.
Ananya Reddy.
DM Mishra.
Where is Ananya Reddy duplicate? I don't see that.
No, sir. No duplicate.
No duplicates, sir.
No duplicates.
If you select all these three columns and say remove duplicates, it will say no duplicate values found. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Test. Tell me guys how to find out unique list of companies. What will I do now? How will I get the unique list of companies? I'll paste it here. Select data and remove duplicates. I get unique list of companies, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How to identify unique values from this?
Remove
Duplicates.
Remove duplicates.
Sorry? How do that?
Remove duplicates.
Does it come? Everyone, does it come?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Tell me guys, in this table, is there any duplication? Is there any duplication in this table?
No, sir. No, sir.
How did you say no? How did you say no?
Dates are different in everything, like the
Dates are
year or
different
the.
in this. Okay. What else?
Spent are also
It's
different.
different.
How did you see that? You will say customer ID first column. Is it duplicate? Go by one. Is it duplicate? You will say no. But how
No.
did you know that? If you select this around 5,000 records, have you checked all? No, right? You just copy this customer ID and try to see is there any duplicates. Remove duplicate, saying no duplicate found. That means all the records are unique.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.